Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. Um, Welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to show my trades which I lost 3 consecutive trade today. I lost based on the candlesticks pattern that I'm going to explain here on this video, and we are making such a great profit, and today we booked such a losses that I'm going to how my the candlesticks fails today that I'm going to discuss here. And anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Okay, so this is the one which I am lose by positional trading in City Union Bank, but this was not giving you any stop loss for my trade. Based on this doji candle, we have planned a trade on 31st August. Next day it started higher. I was taken the option that is what 150 call option which I bought on 1st September around 12 rupees, and after that it made a 13 rupees high, and again today this moves here, again the option moves 13, but again it forms a uh, inverted hammer like candle, so that's why we exited from the trade. I bought around 13, now today I have exited almost, sorry, I bought around 12, exited 10, somewhere around 6k I lost in this trade. But this was not an intraday trade. I was taking holding from 1st of September. This is my stop loss, but my stop loss is not yet triggered. But long term, I'm waiting for that, and today's candle is not good. So the rejection, price rejection, I thought if it is breaks above, so it will move up. But what happened that it is not able to break that high, and even it started moving down. So that is why we exited that City Union Bank with a loss of 6-7,000, almost 2 rupees. We lost money on City Union Bank, but this position is we are holding from 1st September. It is not taken by yesterday or day before yesterday. The same position we are holding long term back. So on almost here about 16 days we are holding, and today we have exited with a 6,000 loss. And my intraday, so I lost some two trades. One is Nakuri and another one is HAL. So both are triggers my stop loss, and then it stays on the same level. So where I am planning a stop loss, market was exactly closed to my stop loss near about, and so okay, it's happened. But what happened in this thing? So this is another doji candle, and previous doji is there in HAL, right? Based on that we planned a trade, but what happened today? It fails. So there is a two doji inside, but this is broken, and this one also broken today. So we bought around somewhere with a 20 rupees risk we have taken for the trade, that is 1460 call option on HAL. So that is where we have taken 1460 call option. I was taken with my stop loss is 20 point from 70 to 50, exactly stop it on that trade, because it is still ending with the bullish only, but it is price is rejected. But this was this trade which I taken for my intraday, so that is why I'm not able to hold it out when it is given my entry point and also exit point. Both happened on the same day. Again another second trade which I lost today, but the first one is positional and the second one is intraday, and the third trade which I lost on my intraday, that is again Nakuri, where it is broken this kind of a hammer, inverted hammer pattern, and also it is breaking the doji, but it is double side, but here it forms. So thought to continues the trend from 6,925, but again it coming down to so even 6,700, 6,800 level, and again it closed below that. So for that we have taken that 6,900 call option when we have taken around somewhere around 290, 6,900 call, 290 we taken, and it moves towards 313, and finally we have the stop loss around 240, that got it. So here also we made a loss. So three trades which we have consecutive loss today. I hope not a good day, but we have some ideas to do. So there is no problem at all. So we will try to make such a great profit based on this candlestick pattern, because we done a lot of trades. It's giving a huge benefit if you are at a positional, and intraday also we are taking such a great trade based on the candlesticks pattern. So but today it happened, no problem. So these are my trade which I lost money on these three stocks, which is consecutively three strikes which we are losing. And again another trade which we are booking such a good profit, that is Chola Finance, that we are holding from few days back, and here it is an inside out candlesticks pattern that has broken that level. We taken the stock which is 570 call option at somewhere 30. Today we booked around 42, and previously we are holding another call, that is what 560 call around 42, and today we booked around 53. But this gives a big profit because we are holding with that a positional basis. That gives me a good profit on my positional. But what I'm focusing today, so I was lost money in my three trades. So I'm going to analyze what happened, what going with the wrong. The profit, there is no big deal, or there is no matter. So when we are making a profit, if it is close right, we don't worry about the trade. But when we are making a losses, we need to be learned from that. So I'm going to do, and I'm going to analyze again and again. So why I lost money on that? Something is there, but I didn't find out. So I should work out on that. Why? Because it happened. But even though, so we are having good accuracy and going good. But today we did with the stop losses of two trades. But profit, that is apart. So it was a positional trade on Chola Finance. So it was giving you such a good profit where there is a candlesticks pattern which is broken. So this is broken after 2 days. It is trading below the level, and but today itself it breaks the level as well as it moves very big. Almost from 582 to 640 points move. So that was giving you such a great profit, almost 30,000 we booked it out. But that is not a big, but we lose somewhere around 7,000 and 5,000, 9,000 here in this trade. So we need to be learn from this. That is about my today's trade detail, which I was taken based on the candlesticks pattern. That gives me a good money, but today it is not giving you such a good money. But even though we are following this candlesticks pattern, that was giving you such a great idea to take a directional trade. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any other doubt, just comment on this comment box. And a lot of people who are asking about how to join my Telegram channel. So I have already given my link in my YouTube description, and you can go through that and you can join with that link. So you easily join from that link while clicking and joining with my candlesticks pattern Telegram channel. And thanks for, we are now reaching more than 3,200 subscribers. I was thankful to you all. Because of you only this was possible. And Telegram also we have more than 400 subscribers. Thank you for my subscribers. Keep watching and keep supporting us. Thanks for being with me, and thank you very much.